Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today for supper, Mr. Cameraman is Gandhi, so we can eat whatever we want, right? So we are going to be making this casserole that I bought literally over a year ago from Williams-Sonoma. Online, it's called Sweet Yam Casserole. Now, yet again, not the first item I bought from them that has no cooking instructions. None at all. And if you try to contact them about cooking instructions, at least the last time, they said, oh, we don't have them. It's going to be this many days until we can get them. So I just wing it. So we are just going to bake this at 400 degrees for about, I don't know. We'll just see how long it takes. So the oven is preheated. This did thaw a little bit, but it is totally frozen still. So we'll just peel it open. And it came with a pack of, I think they're pecans. Yep, praline pecans. So the ingredients are just yams, praline pecans, unsalted butter, brown sugar, allspice, cardamom, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So not entirely sure if it's going to have tons of flavor, but we are excited to try it. Let's just cut open our little seasoning or our little pecan package. And since this is still almost totally frozen, I'm just going to bake it for an hour. I have no idea if the yams are like pre-cooked. Since I bought this so long ago and I don't have instructions, obviously, I might, I'm going to put it in the oven right now, and then I might look on their website and see if I can find the item. I'm not sure if I can, because it was like a Thanksgiving item. Not this last Thanksgiving, but the Thanksgiving before, I believe. Hey Google, set a timer for 1 hour.
Sure, 1 hour. Starting now.
P.S. I don't know if you're like me, but I definitely have to snack, like, during the making of a meal. So my favorite snacks right now, dipped Reese's Animal Crackers, literally life-changing, and Subway double chocolate cookies. They should actually be called triple chocolate because it's a chocolate cookie with chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. And probably my third favorite thing right now are just these Welch's fruit snacks. We got a huge box at Costco and I have been eating them up. Well, after an hour, honestly, the sweet potato felt still pretty hard on the fork. Let's see if it's done. Nope. Still like, totally raw. But the flavor's okay. Let's bake it for, another 40 minutes. This stuff takes way too long to bake. I would not get it again just for that sole reason. We were so hungry, so we ate the rest of this bag, and now we're not even like, we're not hungry anymore. But on a different note, you definitely have to check out this show on Netflix. It is so good. It's called Black Spot. It's originally in French. Oh my gosh, super, super good. Super freaky. It's like the French version of Criminal Minds in this tiny little town. Really, really good. Definitely check it out. And hopefully me and Zena's Williams-Sonoma Sweet Yam Casserole will be done by the end of this episode. After an hour and 40 minutes, it is done. Now, to be honest, it's kind of boring, so I added a mountain of chocolate chips just to make it a little bit more exciting. Now, another common thing with Williams-Sonoma frozen meals is look at all that liquid in the bottom. I don't know why, but every one that I've tried so far has been liquidy after baking. But the potatoes, or the yams, sweet potatoes, whatever you want to call them, They did get soft. And it is, I mean, it's not bad. It's just really underwhelming. Like, if you've ever spent a super long time making a homemade recipe for your friends or your family, and then you eat it and it's just like meh, like it's okay, but not really great. That's what this is. And if I remember right, it was pretty expensive too. So it's not available right now. I already checked on their website, but I definitely will not be ordering it again. Here. You wanted this one. There's a piece with no chocolate. Oh, do you like the sweet potato? Ooh, is that the width for you? Let me get you another piece without chocolate. Okay. Do you want that? Well, Xena says it's a buy again. Oh, is that one hot? Is that too hot for you? Here. There you go. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Xena upload a new video. Definitely don't try out this sweet potato yam casserole. Wowza, this shot does not look appealing. A lot of that's because of the chocolate though. But look at how much, I mean, that must just be butter? I don't know. It's just kind of funky. The potatoes, I keep calling them sweet potatoes. I don't really know if a yam and a sweet potato are the same thing. The yams that are on the edge are really good because they got a little bit like caramelized, a little crispy. But the ones in the middle are just like totally mush. So I'm not really a fan of that texture. The nuts are really good. There's just not enough of them. They have like a slightly salty taste. They're really good, especially if you get a bite of one of the yams from the edge plus one of the nuts. And then you get a really good bite. The seasoning, it tastes similar to like a pumpkin pie spice. But overall, I just don't think it's amazing. I mean, it's good, but I don't think I'm going to be able to eat the whole thing like I had planned. Now, granted, I'm pretty sure the website said that this is supposed to feed like 6 people, which, if it's a side dish, I could see that. I'm just glad at least Xena liked it. Definitely do check out these Reese's Dipped Animal Crackers. And 100,050,000,000,000% check out Black Spot on Netflix. Absolutely crazy amazing. I'm on episode 4 right now. But yeah, get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.